your goal this year is to grow healthy and beautiful natural hair, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Tovia and I'm a natural enthusiast. I love natural hair and I create content on how to grow healthy, long natural hair. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my entire routine, because if you don't know, I started a 6 months challenge actually last 2 weeks. My hair is already 2 weeks old because I made my hair 2 weeks ago. My girl is, I've started though. Okay, so started a 6 months challenge in 2 weeks ago, and I overhauled my entire routine, and I'm going to be sharing that routine with you. So if you want to grow your hair long and healthy, not just long healthy, and you don't know where to start from, you don't even know how to go about it, just stick around to the end of this video and I'll share my routine, my entire routine, and you can use it and see how it works for your hair. So let's go. Now you see I'm with a book. I'm with a book, and that actually shows that it's a serious thing. It's not just by the wayside. I had to write it down so that I don't forget anything. So the first thing I wrote down, I said hair growth routine in 2025. That's the title. Then I went on to say, okay, I'll be using rice water every month. Now for my wash days, previously I washed my hair once a month, and when I wash my hair once a month, I use my protein treatment, which is rice water. Like, that's what I use for my protein treatment. I don't use any other thing. So but for this challenge, I'm going to be washing my hair twice a month because of the extra products or extra things I'm going to be using. I need to prioritize scalp health, so I'm washing my hair twice a month, but I will be using my protein treatment once a month. This is what I do when I wash my hair. Now the first 2 weeks where I don't do protein treatment, I just wash my hair with my shampoo, then I deep condition my hair, then I use my T-rings. I do my T-rings. Then the other 2 weeks where I am to do my protein treatment, I use my protein treatment first, then I wash my hair, I do my deep conditioning, I do my T-rings. So that's how my wash day is going to be, or that's the new routine for my wash day. Then for my moisturizing routine, this is something I do twice a week. Yes, so I decided to do my moisturizing routine twice a week. So I moisturize my hair every Saturdays and Tuesdays, every Saturdays and Tuesdays. And what do I do? What do I use? I use a leave-in spray. The leave-in spray is just like my tea, like what I use for my T-rings. I use fenugreek, cloves, what's the name of that thing again? Fenugreek, cloves, rosemary, and zobo hibiscus flower. Yes, I infuse it in water, like as a tea, and I just put it in a spray and spray it on my hair. So I spray that on my hair first before I go in with my leave-in conditioner and my hair butter. I don't use my shea butter on my scalp because it's thick, like it's butter now, and if I use it on my scalp, I've tried it before and my scalp could not breathe, like it was itching me. So I don't use my butter on my scalp, I use it on my hair. So what I use on my scalp is my hair oil. So what I do on my routine, on my moisturizing routine, I'm saying it again, is I use my leave-in spray. The leave-in spray, I spray it both on my scalp and on my hair. Then I use my leave-in conditioner both on my scalp and on my hair. Then I use my butter, my hair butter, on only my hair. Then I use my oil, my hair oil, on my scalp. So if you want to know how I made it, because I made the oil myself, you can check. I have videos on it. Maybe I'll add the link to the caption of the description. Then also, if you want to see how I make the butter, there's also a video on it. I'll share it. I think those are the two major routines. So after moisturizing my hair, this is one very important thing. I massage it. I massage my scalp. I massage it a lot. I massage it so that those things that I've already put, especially for my scalp, I massage my scalp. Those things that I've put, like my scalp will absorb them, so it can just stay on. To mention that for my Ayurvedic tea, for the Ayurvedic, I use fenugreek seed, cloves, rosemary, and hibiscus flower. So that's what I use. So basically, very simple routine. This is very simple. So if you can just give yourself consistency, okay, I wash my hair twice a month. The first 2 weeks, after you install your protective style, you wash your hair with your shampoo, you deep condition. You ensure you always deep condition your hair. Ensure you deep condition your hair every time you wash your hair. So you use your deep conditioner, you use your T-rings. Then the second 2 weeks, which is when you now use your protein treatment, which is rice water, wash your hair, deep condition your T-rings. Then for moisturizing, moisturize twice a week. And what are you using for moisturizing? You use your Ayurvedic tea for your hair, your scalp and your hair. Then you use your leave-in conditioner for the scalp and the hair. Then you use your butter for your hair and your oil for your scalp. Simple. That's it. So that's my routine for this 6 month challenge, and I'm so excited about it. I am really excited. I want to really see the difference it's going to make on my hair after the 6 months, and I'm also excited to see the difference it's going to make on your hair also after the 6 months. So if you have any question, any challenge or anything, you can share it in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. So thanks for watching. Ciao.